Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Picture this, you're starting your day with a plate of eggs, thinking you're making a healthy choice. They're packed with protein, good for your brain, and oh so tasty. But then, you notice bloating, achy joints, or maybe your cholesterol numbers creeping up. Sound familiar? If you're over 60, you might be making some tiny egg mistakes that could be sabotaging your health, without even realizing it. Don't worry, though. Today, I'm spilling the tea on the 4 biggest egg mistakes seniors make and how to fix them with simple, science-backed tips. Stick with me, because your next breakfast could be a game changer. Oh, and drop a comment below, where are you watching from? Let's connect. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin. One large egg has 6 grams of high-quality protein, choline for brain health, and lutein for your eyes. But here's the kicker, it's not the egg itself that's the problem, it's how we cook, pair, and store them. As we age, our bodies get pickier. Metabolism slows, inflammation sensitivity spikes, and small habits add up. Ready to fix those habits? Let's dive into the 4 mistakes and how to make eggs your health's best friend again. Trust me, you'll be surprised by mistake number 3. First up, the oil in your pan. If you're frying eggs in vegetable oil, margarine, or those cooking sprays, you might be setting yourself up for trouble. These oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't evil, but too much of it, without enough omega-3, triggers inflammation. Harvard Health says the average person eats 10 to 15 times more omega-6 than needed, and that fuels joint pain, artery issues, and even foggy thinking. Scary, right? Swap those inflammatory oils for extra virgin olive oil or ghee. Olive oil's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, and ghee's got antioxidants that fight inflammation. Or, skip oil entirely, poach or boil your eggs. Try this, next time you're making sunny side-up eggs, use a teaspoon of olive oil. Your joints and cholesterol will thank you. Have you checked the oil in your cupboard lately? Comment below with what you're using. Let's see who's already on the olive oil train. Next, let's talk about that classic breakfast combo, eggs and bacon. Or maybe sausage or ham. It's comfort food, I get it. But here's the deal, processed meats are packed with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives like BHA. The World Health Organization even calls processed meat a Group 1 carcinogen. Yikes. Pairing eggs with these cancels out their benefits, spiking your blood pressure and cholesterol. Trade the bacon for nutrient-packed sides. Think avocado for healthy fats, steamed spinach for better circulation, or grilled tomatoes with a sprinkle of herbs. These foods fight inflammation instead of adding to it. Pro tip, slice half an avocado, add a pinch of black pepper, and plate it with your eggs. It's creamy, delicious, and heart-friendly. Nitrates in processed meats stress your blood vessels, but avocado's potassium helps keep blood pressure in check. Small swap, big win. Tell me in the comments, what's your go-to egg side dish? Bacon or avocado? No judgment here. Okay, this one's a shocker. Eating eggs the same way every day, like scrambled with toast, might seem harmless, but it's a sneaky health trap. Too many yolks without variety can nudge up cholesterol, and skipping veggies or fruits means you're missing fiber and antioxidants. Over time, this can lead to low energy, constipation, or even nutrient gaps like B12 or folate. Mix it up. One day, try a veggie omelet with spinach and bell peppers. Another day, boil eggs and pair them with berries and chia seeds. Or bake egg muffins with onions and tomatoes for a grab-and-go option. Variety keeps your metabolism happy and your meals exciting. Fiber from veggies and fruits balances cholesterol absorption, and diverse nutrients support brain and muscle health. Your body loves a rainbow plate. Be honest, do you eat eggs the same way every day? Drop your usual recipe below, and I'll suggest a fun twist. Last but not least, where you store your eggs matters a lot. If you keep eggs in the fridge door or leave them on the counter, you're rolling the dice. Eggs are porous, so they soak up odors and bacteria. Warm temps let nasties like salmonella grow, and for seniors with weaker immune systems, that's a big deal. Store eggs in their original carton in the main fridge compartment, not the door, which is too warm. Check Best By dates weekly, and never leave eggs out for more than 2 hours. Easy peasy. Consistent cold storage below 4 degrees Celsius stops bacterial growth, keeping eggs safe and fresh. Where are your eggs right now? Fridge door or main shelf? Let's get those eggs in the right spot. And there you have it, the 4 egg mistakes seniors are making and how to fix them. Eggs are a powerhouse food, but it's all about how you use them. Swap the oil, ditch the bacon, mix up your recipes, and store eggs right. These small changes can boost your energy, ease joint pain, and keep your cholesterol in check. Your journey to better health starts with your next meal, no complicated steps needed. Which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and let's inspire each other. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We're diving into one healthy breakfast food that might be secretly draining your energy. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.